Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Sinta Yuliana. Program study is Chemistry Education Class 8 and majoring is Chemistry Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science University Gorontalo Stage. I will presentations of inorganic chemistry, laboratory research for Module 6. And the next, the details, synthesis of manganese 6 and the manganese 3 compounds, and the objectives, synthesis, manganese 6 and the manganese 3 compounds. The literature review. Mangan is one of the most abundant first-transition elements in nature and plays a significant role in a biological system. For example, manganese active sites can form this superoxide dismutase, and the manganese cause critical for the activity of this enzyme and take part important proton-coupled electron transfer reactions. Moreover, mangan-based molecular catalysis have attracted a lot of the scientific interest since manganese can sizzle, since mangan and can cycle through the oxidation stage of 2, 3, 4, 7, and even the last stable is 5 and the 6th oxidation stage. Many mangan-based catalyses have been developed for challenge chemical reactions like the photocatalytic reductions of carbon dioxide to carbon dioxide. And the next, the tools and the materials, the experiment for Module 6 and the beaker glass, the pipette, funnel, test tube self, measuring cup, flash measuring, spatula, and glass stirrer. And the materials is aqueous, filter paper, potassium permanganate, sulfuric acid, mangan sulfate, mangan dioxide, and the potassium hydroxide. And the next, the experimental box games. The start is the step 1. Mix 5 ml 0.01 mol kalium permanganate with 2.5 ml sulfuric acid. The next, adding a little manganese and the second. Test tube solutions. The filter, the solution is purple and the finish. And the next, for the test tube 2, mix 5 ml 0.01 ml potassium manganese with 2.5 ml 2 mol potassium hydroxide, and add little manganese the second. The filter the solutions. The filter solution is green. Finish. And the next, the manganese 3, breaking 0.5 grams for manganese, then reaction with the 2 mol milliliter of sulfuric acid. And the next, add 10 milliliter drops of concentration sulfuric acid, and the cool with cold water, and adding 5 drops of 0.1 mol potassium manganese, and the missing 10 ml of distilled water, and the observe the change the occur. And the solution is a little dark box. And the finish. And the next, we can enter the result and discussions. The first, manganese 6 and the treatment observations in the test tube 1 and the test tube 2. And the next, the treatment and observation. The second is manganese 3 is the solution turns like gold. And the next, discussions. So, mangan is a metal which is the solutions is square. Is the oxide, the oxide embodied, is can be oxide, manganese ions are stable in electrons. Manganese having an oxidizing number of +2 and 2 plus 7. Reactions are important in the manganese compound is an oxidation reduction reactions. Potassium permanence is an oxidizing agent that is important for chemical analysis used in the acid solutions, wherein the compound is reduced to manganese 2. And the manganese 6 simple new as iron manganese really green. It formed on manganese oxidation is potassium hydroxide, molten or ICO3. Manganese only stable in very alkaline solutions. The acidic nature or slightly alkaline is easy disproportionation. Iron manganese 3 oxide obtained by electrolytic or persulfate oxide solution of manganese or by reduction of manganese. The substance cannot be obtained in high concentrations because it is reduced by water. The resulting bone crystal of acetylate is easily obtained through oxidizing of manganese alkaline solution with oxygen or chloride in the presence of acetone. In this experiment is to do the synthesis of manganese compounds 6 and the manganese 3 is silica and alumina will dissolve in alkaline conditions as sodium silicates and sodium aluminates with a constant mass of 37.5. Which is the optimum pH for aluminum precipitation. Aluminum oxide is soluble in natrium hydroxide, while the impurities are the insoluble impurities can be separate from the The main impurities in the mud oxide usually consist of silica oxide, mixture and the precipitate will form, then filtered using filter paper and the product undergoes yellow filter development. Then the filter plus chloride acid to overheat. There is a color change from brownish yellow to faded yellow because the yellow state of the filter paper and the precipitate is formed. The final result is pure aluminum oxide with concentrations of 0.600 Aluminum has an oxide in the form of alumina, which is amphoteric and can be soluble in alkaline or acid solvent. The result of the alumina extraction experiment in method 1 obtained a constant mass of 0.1622 grams, and the method 2 obtained a constant mass of 0.093 grams. And And the dissolution, the first experiment was conducted to make manganese, and the first step is to prepare to empty the test tube label 1 and 2. It adds 4 milliliter of 0.01 milliliter potassium manganese into 2 test tubes that have in label 1 and 2. After that, adding 2 milliliter of dilute potassium sulfate potassium sulfate acid solution into 1 and 2 milliliter of the dilute potassium sulfate into a test tube 2. The results obtained in the test tube 1 and 2 of the solution both are the part of Its conclusions. After carrying out the above practicum, it can be concluded that the manufacture of manganese and occur using a base, which is marked by a change in the color of the solutions from purple to green. Compounds in manganese 4 containing permanganate ions are only stable in alkaline conditions. They show a positive reaction from manganese 4. Meanwhile, in the manufacture of manganese 3, it can be seen from the color change that occur, which were initially clear to dark brown, which was a positive reaction from the manufacture of manganese 3. So, is the presentation with module 6. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.